Oh, good morning, good morning. Huh? Day 3. Good energy. Pumunta, wala pa akong ligo yan, ha? Patik. Walang ligo. Don't go to, ligo-ligo. Yung kasama ko. Yeah. The princess of everything. Everything is everything. Hindi ako nakakita ng tayo dito sa kalsada ng hayop. Walang tayo ng aso, walang... Sa Pilipinas, dami shit eh. Pati tao, nagiging shit eh. So, ang po. Uy, may sinigang.
Ay, di, nasa ka lang.
Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Sige na. May sandigan po. Saan makita yung telepono? Alright. Ganda. Pag stop, look and listen to me carefully. Alright, dami na nila, sir. Yes. Oh. All in line, everyone. Hi.
Okay.
Yan. Uy, tuhay ah. Tuhay up. Hey, sir. So, yan. Oh. Side ba? Oh. Yeah. Iwag ba niya? Yes. You know. Oh. Libby at Singapore, man. 2025. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Eddie, wow. Ano ulit nakalagay dito?
Mga filter. Yung nabibili ganyan.
Ah, okay.
So, parang additional.
Gregory. Gregor. Yun. Oh, yes, no. Oh, basic lang ang trabaho dito, boy. Wala nagmamadali sa kanila, oh. Diba? Sa Pilipinas, nagmamadali. Malilate ako, malilate. Yeah. Grabe. Mga cellphone nila. Nakakaya ilabas yung cellphone ko eh. May keypad pa kasi yung cellphone ko. Tawag na kinain natin.
Kaya toast.
Kaya toast.
Yes.
Kaya toast yan. Kaya mo toast? Kaya.
Good, right?
Ganda ng ano. Ulap po. Everything you want, that's what you need. Anyway you want. Ah! Paano ko kaya ito i-edit, no? Pinagsasabi ko dito, walang sense eh. Alin? Palaban tayo English dito mga kaibigan. Palaban na. Hi sir, good morning. Where's the entrance here?
Sorry?
Where's the entrance here?
Go down.
Upstairs? Fourth. Okay. Thank you. Fourth floor. Dulo. Oh, mapala mo yung mga English natin dito. Yeah, boy! Hi, sir. Sinundan niya tayo eh. Sabi niya, ano namang bobo ko. Hindi pumunta sa ganyan, boy. Boy. Nike boy. Kala mo, bibili. Tamang chill lang. Akala mo, ignorante. Ang laki ng Nike nila, oh. Isang building, oh. Oh? Basketball shoes. Sana may, may basketball court. Ayun, sad. Wala tayong souvenir sa Nike. Aray ko. Tayo, next stop. Uy. What the fuck? Ay, na itsura yan. What the? What next? Nahilig mo pa ako? Yes. Mali yata tayo na pinasukan.
In the future.
Oh, call yourself in the future daw. Sige nga, try ko. Call yourself in the future. Aray ko. Tawagan ko yung sarili ko, boy. Touch to begin daw. Pwede kayo mag-Tagalog dito? Let's go. Uy, aray ko.
Mas makita yung mga
Pasabi ko yung sarili ko. Uy, guys ha. Gusto ko yan. Dance to a TikTok song where the colors were outfit at Smith City. What?
Stop waiting for the perfect moment to do something, Daddy. That's correct.
Okay, I will do it for you. My future Kebs. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to do. So I need to do it right now.
Imagine learning survival skills surrounded by lush top or sharing stories under stars and skyline. Every camp brings new friendships and adventure. But still cherish those moments of discovery and laughter together.
Oh, road trip daw. Oh. That's great. Wait, di pa tapos eh.
That's the spirit. Every moment, every camp is a new adventure created. What kind of future camp excites us most? Arts, nature, tech, or something totally unexpected? I love thinking about the possibilities that each new experience brings. Let's dream big together.
Future Keb.
Ganito may sounds.
Wala. Oh, ikaw siya naman.
Ano to?
Touch mo muna. Yan.
Uy.
Kompleto. May initial pa. Uy.
Parang yan yung mukha ko kanina dun sa ano.
Saan?
Uy,
Raquel.
kamukha ko si Lola Emin. Diba?
Wala.
Ganyan kita.
Ha?
Stop waiting for the perfect moment to
Ay,
do
parehas.
something. Order your Kobe Extra Gal. Take a
Recording.
spontaneous road trip. Dance to a TikTok song. Wear that colorful outfit that's
Yung mic. Yung mic ko. Tama na. Yes.
And then the second here, first one.
Kuhain na kita. Okay. Oh my. It like. Alright. Whoa, man. See that?
Wow! Ano mother? Harry.
Harry.
Kamukha mo daw si Harry.
Alright. Dito na po tayo nagtatapos ang Harry Potter natin. Anong masasabi mo, Mami O? Anong masasabi mo?
8 over 10.
8 over 10?
Okay sa'yo?
Ha? 8 over 10.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright. Ang mamahal. Okay lang, at least. The experience is a must. Oh, English, ha? Butterbeer. Nakakalasing daw yun. pwede iuwi ba? Ah, hindi. Kala ko lang ba?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Next, Universal. Osaka. Ay, oh yeah. Yun ang may butterbeer.
Lasang caramel. Akala ko beer. So ayun, malaalasing ako eh. Hmm?
Ano na?
Ah. Cool, oh.
Okay, my love.
Yan yung gitrap?
Di?
Ay, ganyan lang. Ay, hindi mo rin pala ito.
Meron akong kwento, isang love story na nangyari sa kanto.
Scaluch.
Ako'y papunta sa aming baba.
Malaki yung aking head. So, yeah, fine. Ah, okay na ba? Yes. Yee-hoo! Yes, sir! Man. Hindi ko alam paano ako mapag-video pero lalaban tayo. Pinoy tayo eh. Okay. Yeah. Sorry everyone, can I step here? Okay. Oh my god.
Do not wear your bags.
No.
Put your bags in between your legs.
In between the legs? No.
Like that, yeah.
Can I do this? Like this? Okay.
Do not wear your bag.
Okay.
Everyone listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Now, the handlebar here is stop.
Okay.
Here is for you to go, not here, but here, okay?
Oh, in the middle.
Your right, yes. This
Okay.
is your right, this is your left. And once again, never release. Okay? Now,
Okay.
pull to stop.
Pull to stop. At the very end?
Pull to stop, yes. Okay, now. Release it slightly to move forward. Come.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god.
Aim loose.
All right, everybody. We are flying. Huh? Flying me to the moon. Yeah. Okay ba kayo, Chan? Okay ba kayo, Chan? Kami, ito lang. Chilling. Chilling. Like a villain. Alright. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko narinig. Alright. Alright, let's go. Wait lang mga kami, set up ko lang. Yes, sir. Stand still, baby. Stand still. Woo. Alright, go right, go left, go left. Mercy, mercy. Wing. No. No. Sir, yun, taka na yung XP. Yes, sir. Kakay good sa ulo.
Ay nagkabunggo. Ako'y nagtataka.
Minsan yung buhay parang nasa taas, minsan nasa
Makita siya'y
babaw at baba.
kumislap.
Weird. Sa ano eh, isa dito tayo sa ibang bansa eh. Kailangan natin pakita yung mga English po. Dollar na.
Favorite line ka na English.
Crazy, no? Takit na may nakuha ka na naman sa akin, ha?
Crazy, ah.
Alright. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, everyone. Alright. Yay! Oh, ayos yung XP na yun, ha? Parang bumalik ka sa pagkabata, eh. Para kung naipaglaban sa, ano? Sa racer. Oh my God. This is experience tayo, pare. Ano, pre? Kumusta ka rin ko?
Pagkarma, di ba?
Panis ka, boy. Racer, umago. Wing, 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 wing. Shake Shack.